In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 copy-paste not working. If you've noticed that copying and pasting suddenly stops responding, the issue is often tied to the Windows interface, also known as Explorer, or to corrupted system files. We're going to refresh the Windows interface and then run a built-in repair tool. These actions are safe, quick, and don't change your personal files. Start by bringing up Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard. When Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of running processes. Look for Windows Explorer. This is the component that controls your desktop, taskbar, and file windows, and a quick restart can clear temporary glitches that affect clipboard actions. Right-click Windows Explorer, then click Restart. Your screen may flicker briefly. The taskbar and desktop icons might disappear for a moment, and then they'll come back. That's normal. Your open apps should stay in place. Once Explorer refreshes, test copy and paste. If it still isn't working, move on to the next step. Now we'll run a system file check using command prompt with administrator privileges. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run it as an administrator. If you see a prompt asking for permission to make changes, choose to allow it. You should now have an elevated command prompt window open. In that window, type the following command exactly and press Enter sfc/scanno. This system file checker scans protected Windows files and automatically repairs any that are missing or corrupted. Problems with these core files can cause Clipboard and Explorer behavior to break, so this scan is an effective way to restore normal function. You'll see a progress percentage. Depending on your system, it can take several minutes, so be patient. Don't close the window or interrupt the process while it runs. When the scan finishes, you'll get a message telling you what happened. It might say, no integrity violations were found, that issues were found and fixed, or that some repairs will take effect after other maintenance. Either way, once it completes, try your copy and paste again using Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, or right-click Copy and Paste in File Explorer or Apps. That's it. By restarting Windows Explorer and running sfc/scanno, you address the most common causes behind copy and paste not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to a smooth workflow.